Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Bree 2K. Now, let's get started. I'm making an astonishing garlic butter well-done steak with loaded potatoes and asparagus. And for a surprise, a decadent dessert and a refreshing cocktail. Let's make it. Today, we're making luxurious loaded potatoes. Stay tuned and don't blink or you'll miss a step. First, I'll give them a quick wash. Now, I'll just let them dry on the rack. So simple and healthy. Let's get this plated. Potato with the bacon bits. Perfect. Now for the taste test. Delicious. About to make a German chocolate cake as a dessert for this meal. Stay tuned. I've got all the ingredients ready. Let's get baking. It's going to be delicious. Okay, so for our chocolate cake, we've gathered all our ingredients. We've got our flour, sugars, and of course, the star of the show, our cocoa powder. Let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. First, you'll mix your wet ingredients and then combine the batter. Next, you'll prepare your pans and divide the batter evenly between them. And finally, you'll bake first. Make sure your cake layers are completely cool. While they cool, make your coconut pecan frosting. Now, spread a good amount of frosting on the first layer, place the second layer on top, and frost it again. Our German chocolate cake is all done. It was so much fun making this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I. Cocktail after a lovely dinner at home. First, pour in the Añejo tequila, then the strawberry liqueur, Sprite, and stir. Garnish. The strawberry cocktail is so refreshing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the bell to get notified about the next one. I'm so grateful for this channel. Thank you for cooking with Bree 2K. I'm in my kitchen, hoping to keep you all inspired while being entertained here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be the first to see new videos as they come.